What's up, guys? Joe from 450 Sports. We're about to break number 263
or something like that.
I don't even remember. Double box of Select 2013-14. Those are the two boxes. Here we go. Let's go, box one. Good luck. Bonne chance. Break numéro 263, si je me trompe pas. Two inner box. Box within the box within the box. Alright, so there is 12 packs. 2 autographs, well, 4 autographs per box, but 2 autographs per inner box. 6 and 12. 12 packs. Just lower the camera. Here we go. Good luck. Bonne chance. Pack 1. Alright, what do we have? So all base and only a rookie of Matthew Conan for the Flyers. Matthew Conan. Je le pogne à chaque fois.
Oui, c'est le plus
Lui, puis gars des Flyers. Lui, puis gars des Caps, là, c'est sûr, je le pogne.
Cameron Schilling.
Ouais. Base. Out of 399, autograph rookie of Morgan Riley for the Leafs. Morgan Riley pour les Leafs. Tu veux voir ça du select, toi?
Jamais.
Pas Panini, hein, je pense.
Ah, j'aime ça, Panini.
Ouais? Ouais. Base, we have a foil of John Tavares.
Classique.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Ouais.
Il est fun, ça, le vendre. Base, we have a select future of Justin Schultz. Non, mais la pas d'évidence. Rookie of Carter Banks. Ouais, ça, ce genre d'affaire-là, pour ça, ça t'arrive une fois, si tu fais plus jamais ça.
Ah, mais m'arrive toujours, ça, plein d'affaires.
Les paquets. Okay. Alright, so we have base out of 99 foil jersey auto of Victor Fast for Anaheim. Ouais, ils sont belles. Ah, ça fait pas une belle Tarasenko. Base Fire on Ice of Calvin Pickard, not numbered, rookie for Colorado.
Peut-être un prism. Un bureau pour prism.
Ah oui, t'as vu. Foil. Foil of Pavel Bure. Thank you.
Hein? C'est live.
Hey, live.
Oh,
Oh, hey, live. Only a rookie of Drew LeBlanc. Again, this guy I pull every time. Drew LeBlanc.
j'ai pas vu, je pense qu'ils ont bien.
Trop les mêmes. Number 399. Autograph rookie Frederick Anderson. Anaheim. Ah, c'est un beau produit, ça, sérieusement, pour le prix, là. Méchant beau produit. We have a foil of Patrick Marleau. Sharks. We have a select cornerstones. Jonathan Taze. Captain Sirius. And rookie of Cameron Schilling. Et voilà. Ça va aussi. Je pense qu'il y en a 4 rookies. C'est pas 4 fois. These
Travis Turnbull?
rookie select signatures of Travis Turnbull for Buffalo. Fire on Ice, not numbered, Ryan Miller for Buffalo, and a foil of Mikhail Butker for Phoenix. All right, this was box number 1. On to box number 2. se rater ici. There we go. Second box, 2 winners. All right. Box 2, boîte numéro 2. Base and a rookie of Carter Banks.
Of course. Sick.
Base number 2/399, rookie auto of Philip Grubauer. For the Caps. We have a prism foil of Jeremy Roenick for the Hawks. Cornerstone, Alex Ovechkin for the Caps. And a rookie of Drew LeBlanc. Je te dis, Drew LeBlanc, là. It's Jonathan, by the way. All right. Base. Number 2/199, rookie auto of Ryan Murphy for Carolina. Fire on Ice, rookie of Jonathan Berdo for the Panthers, and a foil of Henrik Sedin for the Caps. Canucks. I don't know why I said the Caps. All base and a rookie of Daniel Bang. For the Preds. Number 2/399, rookie auto, Mikael Granlund from Minnesota. There's 4 packs left, still waiting for our jersey auto rookie. Only a foil of Gabriel Landeskog, Colorado. We have a select future of Alex Killorn for Tampa Bay. And a rookie of Matthew Conan for Flyers. So 2 Matthew Conan. Lucky you. And 199 jersey auto. Flames Roman Cervenka. Ish. Roman Cervenka. Okay. And in the last pack, we have a Fire on Ice, not numbered, Anaheim Teemu Selanne, and a foil of Keith Yandel for Phoenix. All right, guys, this was the double box break of Select. I'll be back in a couple of minutes with the double of Ultimate. Thanks, guys.